Folks, we're back with what I call our New England weekend. We do a crab boil, and I've got to decorate for that. The table and the buffet. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Folks, thanks for coming by. I thought I would do something different and start saying hello to some of our best friends and subscribers out there. First of all, our personal, wonderful Aunt Sandy from Illinois. And Lily Gill. Hello, Lily. She's just a doll. Doesn't miss a show. And we have so many of you like that. We just want to say how much we appreciate you. I'll try to do different ones every video. And of course, Karen and Tammy and Jeff, way down under in Australia. And they've been friends for a long, long time, especially after she won one of the prizes. Couldn't have been further away. We waited maybe 3-4 weeks for her to get that prize from the drawing, but they're just wonderful. So anyway, today our inspiration, of course, is 4th of July is coming. Even for those that don't celebrate our 4th of July, it's time to get your picnic on. So we're doing a red, white, and blue theme for our table today. We just picked up these wonderful lacy under plates chargers, and you saw them in the other video. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Then I have by Enoch Wedgwood this onion pattern. Now a couple of them did this onion. Okay, look at this. Then I've got the onion pattern in a Bavarian plate as well. It's a little different, but it's gonna work big time. Check it out. Here's the wonderful 100% cotton napkin, and we're gonna put that in between the two plates so they don't click together, and it's gonna create I think a very cute look. Holy moly, look at this. Next, we want to do a cute little arrangement for the table and the buffet. So I'll mimic one for the buffet right after I get the table. Let's start off with a cute fern. We'll bend that. I got these wonderful deep red farmhouse looking pictures. So we'll want to bend these and not have to cut them. We'll get that cute accent in there as well. I want to try a wisteria. And before I get too much of one color, let's try these white ranunculus. Right up the middle. Maybe 2 bunches of those. Then we have blue carnations. Oh my goodness, look how cute. I think I want to go white again with those mums in between. One more in the back real quick. Woo! Look at that red, white, and blue. Gotta love it. Something to throw it so it doesn't look so unreal as a little piece of lavender in there. See what you think. And possibly one more of the carnations. Don't want to overdo it. I know you don't hear that out of me much. Maybe one more. The back seems a little light. Okay, guys. Let's look at that for our centerpiece. Now let's go with our littler one on for the island. Sacrifice a little bit of stem there. I've got that little white bunch. I don't have anything that little or low, so I'm gonna sacrifice a couple of these blue carnations off of the stem, which I don't mind because you're always gonna have a small little piece to do. Want one more accent in there. Oh my goodness. That's cute as heck, I think. Let's use the rest of this. Then I have a good excuse to tell that I need to go get some more. A different day. Alrighty, too cute. Good enough, right? Good enough. We'll put that on our buffet. We're setting that up right here. So you see, I don't always use everything I bring, so I think it's good, and I'm gonna move these. Next, we're gonna wanna get those chargers put down. And you know I'm gonna have a paper in between them. Like everything I do. It just keeps your stuff nicer. Lasts longer and keeps it nicer. I don't think anybody's gonna complain about that. Alrighty. Now, as in most of us know, collecting is tough. And the big Wedgwood onion, I only have 4. So we're not taking a chair away. That'd be silly here. We're gonna use another one by Wedgwood. Countryside, yeah. Look at this. Big deal, right? We're not gonna worry about it. And you know I'm gonna face my plates the same all the way around. Our 100% cotton napkin. And we're gonna get that onion salad plate. Standing up. That pattern. Think, because our 4th of July is coming, I'm gonna have to go with a couple of flags. Even the little one gets a flag. Oh man, how cute is that? Time to put some silverware on. No question in my mind that we're gonna go with the silver flatware with the dinner knife facing the plate. Dinner spoon, dessert spoon, and dinner fork and salad fork. Put a wine glass at 1 o'clock. We're having seafood, so we gotta have some tomatoes and some fruit. I need a cheese and cracker plate, a cocktail sauce dish, my specialty, little clarified butter with clam juice. Oh, I don't know, folks. We're looking pretty cute. Now I've got something new we wanted real bad. Angela saw this. It's a cast iron crab that holds something for you. Could hold a condiment, maybe your crackers. I'm going to use them to hold your after dinner mince. Oh, I keep dropping some. I might have to eat a couple. Look at him. Too good. With seafood, we're going to want a nice Riesling. And we're going to have some Schmidt-Sona. Made in Germany. Now we're going to need some crystal. Because we're not fooling around. We're going to have a little party. We're going to have crab legs, which I gotta tell you, I was not happy with what I had to pay, and we did not get very many. Alrighty. Folks, it's our table setup. I'm going to have to take you over to the buffet and make sure you can see that. Alrighty then. Now, for those of you that didn't get to see how I set up a buffet on the island at Christmas time, I'm going to show this again, included in the table video. This is what I do. We have 3 different cutting boards, so it takes nothing away when I have to do this. I still have a small. So I tape the handle down because there's still people that would forget, you know the ones, and tape the faucet handle down so there's no accidents. Then I cover the sink with the cutting boards. It's just, to me, it makes sense because it's something we use all the time. Anyway, the different cutting boards. So they're always in a drawer in the kitchen. Okay, then we're not cutting on it, so I'm just going to put a mat there and use it as a centerpiece. Angela likes her cake stand, and we're going to have a couple of different tiered trays. We have a dessert tiered tray and one for fruit. We have fruit bowls. We have a trivet for my hot, probably my clam chowder. And in the next video, if you're interested, we're going to look at a couple of things. Not a cook show, because nobody's interested in that here, but some tips and tricks that I do and how I do my New England crab boil. I think you'll like it. Now folks, there's nothing left to do but take you and show you all around. folks, if you liked our video today, give us a like, a share, a comment, a smiling tomato. Anything. Send Uncle Frank over and we'll get him to subscribe. Take care now. Until the next video, we're going to finish this off. Our New England weekend crab boil cookout. Take care now. And we'll see you in the next over the top cookout video.